They are video creators. They are creators which create marketing material, learning material, all of that, all free. Didn't spend a cent on it. And I'll share some of those links that were used. And what she also did is, for example, we were talking about the financial model of the company, which people did not understand. So the prompt was something like, explain the financial model of the company using an analogy of noodles. And the entire script came, create a script and so on. All of the other things were given in the prompt. But then the script was enacted by people. It needed to be modified a little bit, but the entire creativity got sparked in just a short while to it. So 24 hours, this turnaround, one person is phenomenal, and we should be using such kind of inputs. I met this this new technology startup called Unbury last week. So what they were talking about is speech recognition. So you do an assessment where the person just speaks to the AI and that gets an assessment and gives you the score. Then they have programming concepts. So you have code challenges, and you do the code and you get a report. So what they promised is all of these four things, which is job knowledge, communication, cognitive, behavior, and personality, assessment is done without learning and L&D doing anything. So we just do the framework. The company also doesn't do anything. AI does all of that and generates reports, and the reports come to you in your inbox. So that's the power that it has. And these are very different skills. One is, if you look at the competencies, some of them are head, some of them are heart, some of them are hand. So all head, heart, hand competencies can be assessed using AI completely without the human one. I had two options for this presentation. I was told on Wednesday that I'll be doing this presentation. So I was a little panicky. Okay, we'll take a second to do this, Ishani. I'll give the context and then. So I was told that I need to do it on Wednesday. So hardly any time. So I thought, कि अभी कैसे करें? And I searched and got this tool. And this is just as an example. I didn't use it finally for the presentation. I had to sit till 2 a.m. yesterday to complete this, as always. But this was my plan B. कि 5 minutes में, less than 5 minutes, this presentation was made. So we'll just show you what it is. It's a free one, so you can scan it, but only first 10 people will be able to do it. So the others can't do it, but it is a free one. So just try this. I'm just showing this as an example, ki 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes. I'm not kidding you, what it does in 5 minutes. Okay? And I had not heard of this tool. I just Googled it and found that. So have we done? Do we have a few people? Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 done. Okay, ठीक है. Sagar is here, my good friend here. Okay. Okay, excellent. So let's start. Okay, I only can click it. So this was the deck. I'm not going to take you through this, but I gave a small prompt that I have a talk to do. This is the event. It's an industry forum. I am a learning and development head, and this, that, just a prompt. And it created this whole thing. All of this. I'm not going to go through these slides. I'll just show you what it created with just a small prompt. There was a question as well. And does it give you option to, is there anything on this thing? Does it give you an option to send something? Please do it, yeah. You can just put test or write something. Let's take a second for this. Please respond to this question, whoever has the link. So this was created in less than 5 minutes by sendsteps.me. And it's the first time that I was using that. Okay, done. Let's have at least a few responses, 1 or 2 responses. It's okay, it's anonymous, so you can just type anything and send. Okay, GenAI is the key, enable efficiencies, awareness, adoption, upskilling themselves with whatever. So, okay, this is just as a sample. We are not going to go through this in detail. So, okay, 6, let's wait for 30 seconds more. So this is just to show that when you have no time, you can still do this and present. And L&D mein to we are masters at any topic that we want, right? So this actually enables that mastery. Okay. So I'm not going through this in detail. This is just a sample कि ये सब हो सकता है 5 मिनट में, and it's just 5 minutes. All I gave was these 4 things. I said talk about the 4 distinct AI-related skills: complementary, integrative, adaptive, and judgment. That's the only thing that I gave in the prompt, and it created this entire presentation. All of this text is from there, and उसके बाद इसने quiz भी बना लिया after that. So let's see the quiz. It's not too bad.